Your video is on.
Good morning students.
Your video is on.
Students, in exercise 3.5, question number 1, question number 2, have you any problems?
No, sir.
Now we will start question number 3. Exercise 3.5. Question number 3. Students, solve the following pair of linear equation by using cross multiplication method. Students, the pair of linear equation are as 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. It is your first linear equation. Now student, second linear equation is 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. It is your second linear equation in two variables. Student, this is your pair of linear equation in two variables. Now students, what is A1? On comparing the linear equation with A1 is 8. Student, what is B1? 5. What is C1? What is A2? What is B2? What is C2? Minus 4. Now students, we will write here as x, here as y, and here as 1. Student, we will start it from B1, B2. B1, B2. What is B1? 5, 2. 5, 2. What is C1, C2? Minus 9, minus 4. What is A1, A2? 8, 3. What is your B1, B2? That is 5, and 2. That is 5 and 2. Now student, what is the rule to solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method? Now student, write x. Here is x is equal to write y is equal to, that is 1 is equal to. Now student, rule is such that if we will move from top to bottom, that is 5 into 4, 5 into minus 4. If we will move from student, if we will move from bottom to top, there extra minus sign will attach. Minus sign 2 multiplied with minus 9. Student, any doubt, any problems?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
So, when minus sign and minus 4 are related, can't we cut out the minus sign and then calculate it?
Minus sign. Here minus.
I'm telling that if we cut minus sign
स्टूडेंट्स आपको माइनस साइन हटाना नहीं है। जैसे आपके पास इक्वेशन मिलेगी आपको उसी को यूज करना है। a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 आपको ये राइट लिखना है और उसके बाद आपको सॉल्व करना है इसको। एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
Sir, we have to solve it by substitution rules.
Yes. Student, it depend on the question. What is asking? That is 5. Now student, any doubt, any problems? Now students, multiplied minus 9 2 3 minus 9 2 3. Now we attach a minus sign extra, minus bracket minus 4 bracket 8. Student, any doubt, any problems? Now we multiply to 8. 8 2 16. We will attach, if we move from bottom to top, then extra minus sign will attach. 3, that is 5. Now students, solve it. X is equal to 5 into minus 4 minus 20. Student, minus plus 2 9 18. Now student, y minus 9 3 minus plus 4 8 32 1 8 2 16 3 5 15. Now student, x by minus 2, y by 5, that is 1 upon 1. Student, any doubt, any problems up to here? Friends, now we have to find out the value of x and y. To find the value of x, that is x by minus 2, x by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Now students, x is equal to minus 2. Any doubt, any problems?
No.
Now student, to find the value of y by 5, y by 5 is equal to 1 by 1. So y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, any problems, you can ask me. No problems? Student, exercise 3.5. Question number 4. First part. Question number 4, first part. Exercise 3.5. Question number 4, first part. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed. Student, hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees as a hostel charge. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays 1180 rupees as hostel charge. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Student, first of all we will consider x and y. What we will consider as x and what will be considered as y. Student, in this question fixed charge be x. Let fixed charge be what is, student, what is fixed charge? Rupees x and student, what is the cost of food per day and cost of food per day. What will you consider? Rupees y. Students, now read the question properly and read the statement first. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A taken food for the mess for 20 days, according to first condition, now students, fixed charge for food is x rupees, that is your x, and cost of food per day y rupees. Then what will be the cost of food for 20 days? Students, cost of food per day rupees y. Then what will be the cost of food for 20 days? Let the fixed charge be rupees x. Let the fixed charge be rupees x and cost of food per day. Cost of food per day rupees y. Student, if you will take food from the mess, so there is a fixed charge, that is rupees x. You have to pay it. After that, you have to pay y rupees per day. Students, for first day you have to pay x plus y. For 2 days you have to pay x plus 2y. For 3 days you have to pay x plus 3y. Students, fixed charge is rupees x. You have to pay fixed charge. After that you have to pay charge per day. Students, according to first condition, if you have to pay for 20 days, then what will be your condition? What will be your equation? Students, if you have to pay for 20 days,
20.
Aditya saying
X plus 25 is equal to 1000.
x plus
25 is equal to 1000.
yes, very good. Priya Tiwari,
Yes.
what will be the equation? If you have taken food from the mess for 20 days and you have to pay for 1000 rupees, then what will be your equation? Then what will be your equation?
So x plus 20.
X plus 20 by is equal to
Equals to
1000. Swasti, what will be the equation? What will be the equation? Very good, very good. X plus 20y is equal to 1000. Now according to second condition, student, read the question properly.
so x plus 26 y equal to 1100.
Rinky, listen to me. Where a student B who takes food for 26 days, you have to pay 1180. Rinky, yes, Pragati Singh,
Yes, sir.
what will be the equation? If you have to pay for 26 days 1180 rupees, then what will be the equation? What will be the equation?
Sir, could you please repeat?
If you have to pay, please open your book and read the question properly. If you have to pay 1180 rupees for 26 days, then what will be your equation? Kashish,
Yes, sir. So the equation would be x plus 26y
is equal to
1100.
very good. X plus 26y is equal to 1180. That is your second equation. Please solve the equation by any methods. From a pair of linear equations of the following problem, find their solution. They exist any algebraical method. You can solve it by substitution, elimination, cross multiplication, any method you can use. Student, x plus 20y, that is 1000. Equation first. X plus 26y is equal to 1180, that is second equation. Srini Pradhan,
Yes, sir. Sir,
All the students are on the page in the street.
yes. Student, cost of food. Student, cost of food per day ₹30. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
If you have any doubt, any problems, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Any doubt, any problems in any topic, you can ask me. Now student, second part can you do?
Sir, we will do it homework.
Yes, yes, very good. Now student, third part of question number 4. Third part of question number 4. Third part of question number 4. Student, yes scored 40 marks in a test. Student, listen to me carefully. I can ask you any. I can ask any question to present in the class. Please listen to me carefully. Don't sleep in the class. Yes scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer. Student, अगर एक right answer होता है तो उसके 3 marks मिलते हैं, and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions have there in the test? Students, let marks awarded for. Student, let number of correct answers. Let number of correct answers. Let number of correct answers. What is x? And number of incorrect answers. You don't know how many correct answers and you don't know how many incorrect answers. According to first condition. Listen to me carefully. Students, if one question is correct, right answer. If one right answer, you will give 3 marks. If x correct answer, how many marks you will award it? Arpit Kumar Mishra. If one correct answer, you will award x marks. If x correct answer, how many marks you will award it? Arpit Kumar Mishra. Yes, students? Yes? 3?
X marks, sir.
3x. Students? 3x. 3x. Students? And losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. अगर आपके पास 1 रॉन्ग आंसर है तो उसके 1 मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो जाते हैं। ऐसे ही आपके पास y आंसर है जो रॉन्ग है, तो हाउ मेनी मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड? माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 40। Now student, according to second condition, students, 4 marks have been awarded for each correct answer. For 1 correct answer, marks will given 4 marks. X correct answer, marks been awarded 4x minus 4. 1 incorrect answer, marks will deducted 2 marks will deducted. 4y 2y is equal to 50. Student, that is your first. So what is common? 2 is common throughout the equation. 2x minus y, that is 50. 2 1s are 2, 2 25. 2x minus y is equal to 25. That is your second equation. Aditya Singh, how can you solve these pair of linear equation? How can you solve? Don't look. Yes. Solve the. Aditya Singh, those students who are sitting, keep silence. I am observing them. Shreyas, how can you solve the pair of linear equation? By using elimination method. Your first linear equation 3x minus y is equal to 40. And your second linear equation is 2x minus y is equal to 25. That is your second linear equation in 2 variables. On subtracting, equation second from equation first, minus, that is plus, that is minus, that is cancel out, that is x is equal to 15. Student, x is equal to 15. Then how can you find out the value of y? Putting x is equal to 15 in equation first. 3 into 15 minus y is equal to 40. That is 45 minus y is equal to 40. Now students, minus y is equal to 40 minus 45. Minus y is equal to minus y is equal to 5. So students, Your number of correct answer 15, number of incorrect answer 5, total number of questions are 20. Total number of questions are 20. Can you write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, student. Now it is the time of your Hindi period. Attend the class of your Hindi period.